Dear student, how are you doing? I hope you are doing absolutely fine. And today we are going to start with English class. Here you can see this is the subject English, grade 3, section 2, unit 7, page number 51. And today the topic of our lesson is 2 legs or 4. Ara aja saimde sobok ibar topic edo bole sobok iboide ogwa story re babute. Today's lesson is about a story. Ara aja saimde iboga bole a story about 2 legs or 4. Ki TWO 2 hode 2 legs hode tang. Ara to legs aside legs ki 2 tenga or 4 ya to ba side and hoyeruga arare question mark diye quotation question mark को दे दे कि 2 legs or 4 या तो बाकी दुटेंगा या तो बा साइटेंगा एन होय रे कैन सवाल को दे यानर बाबू तो का बोले टॉपिक इबोय दो बोले ओगवा story. The story is about a baby dog puppy and some children of a family. आरा story बाबू दो बोले ओगवा बुरा कोरसर बाबू ते दे আর হদন ওগা ফ্যামিলির ফাইনাল কালার বাবুতে বলে ওগা স্টোরি দিস ইজ আ ভেরি ইন্টারেস্টিং স্টোরি স্টুডেন্ট এবা বলে বেশি গম লাগে মজা লাগে দে এন্ডি লাগবা স্টোরি ন দিলুলে আরা লেসন ইবা হডল পাইম এন হলে আরা গ্রেড 3 এর ইংলিশ টেক্সট বুক আছে দে ইবা মাঝে পেজ নাম্বার 51 অফ ইউনিট 7 এর মাঝে 2 legs or 4 এন হইরে আরারে দাহার ওকে স্টুডেন্ট দেন টার্ন to page number 51 and listen carefully to me. Okay. Hello, I am for you now. When the family brought the new puppy home, mom said, now then we must choose a name. When the family brought that I mother family Anil the new puppy P-U-P-P-Y puppy and holy P-P-Y puppy and hode bole ara baby dog kuror sore hode gura kushor hode puppy and hode and ilago bole naya puppy that am family bole gorot anil mom set my hoyede bole now then ela ehon we must choose a name ara to ekan puppy ibare kan nam dia horiba ekan nam basa horiba ara bokulo notun and they all stood staring at the pup. They all stood. Ela family maje jedon member kol ase member bokulu no bole stood. Ti agil goi staring at the pup. Staring ela sat takil bole at the pup. Kiwaruzo kunshowar uzo. It had droppy ears. It had. Ela puppy watun bole ashil droppy ears. D-R-O-O-P-Y droppy ears hodun ashil bole E-A-R-S yes droppy ears dolaina hodun bole hanokol ashil ara ede dekhi dia puppy gwa dekhi de ibar hanun jin asin bole dolaya droppy gojja and a rather long tail ibatun bole aro kan lamba kan les ase bole ara ede dekhi de andile ibatto kan very long tail kan ashil lamba kan les ashil puppy wattu. No one knew what sort of dog it was. No one knew. No jana bole no sine no jane what sort of dog, what kinds of dog. Hon kisimar kumurga de it was ibawa. Come on said that. What shall we call him? Come on bakuluna ha. What shall we call him? Aratu kumuribare kida horiwa papivare kida ka horiwa and hoyore bafe hoye. Mandy who was 6 nearly 7 Mandy hode ibauga bole itar agor children or buto tonene CHILDREN children or buto ton bole ogo aside Mandy 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 hode ibe bole ibolde hobosor en hole who was 6 or nearly 7 alele jibani ki 6 ashil Mandy hodi ba ogwa itar child in a family ibar ibe bole jibani ki nearly 7 hat bosor dake deke ye set ibe bole naam diye de Jeremy ki hoya Mandy bole ela dog puppy ibar naam diye de Jeremy and hoyera naam diye JEREMY ला सब सुजा मेंडी आसे दे इबे होइदे बोले जेरेमी एन होयरे नाम दिए पपिवार नाम दिलोले आरा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन मैं सही हूं why Jeremy after Jeremy Fisher we read about him in a school today why Jeremy kyalla diye en hoyre la swale kan ibe goriyore ibe hodde after Jeremy Fisher hoy bade Jeremy Fisher hoy ruga a story iba bade bole we read about him Jeremy Fisher or babute ara fojilam in a school today a school maza azia ले मेंडी होदे बे होदे बोले आरा अजा जेरेमी फिशर होदे इतार बाबते स्कूलत फॉर फोजी एतला आरा पपी इवन नाम दिख दे जेरेमी एन होयरे नाम राखी तो होदे एन होयरे बोले एक्सप्लेनेशन दिए रे but he was a frog not a dog ala Jeremy Fisher jiba story ga school maji tara read go jail for jail iba hoyde bole about it was a frog iba go bole kyor babute bang or babute not a dog kintu iba ga kina school tara lesson ho jedi ba kina kumur babute no I would like to call him Toblerone said Polly who was 5 ala child man or babute bola arogga fuase jibani ki Polly hoyeruga Polly Polly iba hoyde bole 5 বছর who was 5 Polly who was 5 jibani ki 5 বছর ala iba bole I would like to call him I tara dakim de Toblerone and Toblerone Toblerone ibe hoda I bara dakim de Toblerone and ala Polly hode iba your family child one iba 5 বছর bole because he is sort of chocolate colored and that's my favorite because kala bolile he is sort of hode ite a kainora as atora chocolate colored ite midar rangya mikya ki rangya mikya midar rangya mikya chocolate hade chocolatey rangya mikya color detala and that's my favorite ala chocolated color hodi babala ar ki favorite hele Polly hode ibe bole chocolate color beshi like gore etala jiba puppy ase di ibe chocolated color dehala iba naam din to bola Toblerone en hoye ki naam hoya Toblerone hele Mandy hoide Jeremy Polly hoide Toblerone en hoye naam diye the trouble with names like Jeremy and Toblerone is that they are so long the trouble akan mushkilat hoide bole with names like Jeremy and Toblerone Jeremy hode yan le de Toblerone hode yan le dinian le bole akan mushkil hete de is that yana they are so long Jeremy Toblerone nam edinian bole beshi lamba oy said that hona hoya bafe hoy a dog should really have a short name ogwa kurotun bole takon sa akan baitya nam takon sa it's easier for him yana bole beshi asana popular to learn shikibari wala and for us to say bad arala hoibala ilele a dog's name should be very short ogwa kuron naam hodian bole bishi ki avre bishi bachcha I know I jani sad band on hoya band hoyer hui ilele child name butora arogwa fuwa jiban naam niki Ben Ben hode iba bole Ben was 3 Ben hodite bole 3 বছর Ben hodite ki 3 বছর what they all said what kian hoyre they all said itara bakulune hoye to ban itara kidaki ban 3 number or fuwa itara 3 number or fuwa ya hodde said ban I know I jani said ban hoyde ban was 3 ban ho number ban was 3 বছর what and hoyer hoyde they all said itara hodde we could call him ban ara tu itara ki daka horibo ban daka horibo nahi ala itara bakuluna hodde 3 number or goye we could call him Ben ara to Ben daka horibo en hoyala Ben 3 বছর আছে দিতে Ben en hoyere ala tinna name no Jeremy Toblerone Ben hodi ba itar goror fuan name ya 3 বছর ja fuan nam but that's your name too ala 3 বছর ja fuan Ben hoyere nam আছে দিতে hoyera yan thon nam no ne en hoyer hoy they all cried ala en hoyere family bokul na bole ki ora shuru hoye hada shuru hoye ki ora shuru hoye hada shuru hoye I know but it's short yana an nam do hoy very kintu yana kan bachcha nam en here that's silly said Mandy ala Mandy hodi yana kan back hota yana na varibo yana back hota yana na varibo en here I shall call him Jeremy. I itare Jeremy dakim the puppy barai ki dakim Jeremy dakim. And she walked out of the room. Ala Mandy bole she walked ibe bole hadi ne ligil go out of the room or bar kuli. Calling daki come along Jeremy. Jeremy arfati ai and here puppy re daki bole bar kuli. But the puppy took no notice. Puppy hoye bole honokan notice no gari. Ala Mandy Jeremy hoy come on Jeremy and hoyer dakilio kintu puppy took no notice. Puppy honokan kino kare notice no kare. Okay, let's continue sayamara. Then Polly walked out to calling Toblerone come along Toblerone. Then Polly bade Polly hode ibaya bole walked out barmikka nelige to calling dakai Toblerone come along Toblerone arvati ai and hoye. But the puppy still took no notice. Puppy bole at time of pujanto honokan notice no kare. It stayed sitting in front of the small boy. Ala puppy bole stayed sitting badat tagil goy in front of the small boy ugwa gura for montun. Ala 3 year ruga benaside itar montun zaira bole boy tagil. Wagging its rather long tail. Lari, its rather ibar lamba long tail lesson. In some ways they were rather alike. In some ways, hodun torikala hoito sale bolo hodun well dekile they were rather alike. Itara dinizon adolamika. In front of the boy dakutun boy tekke dede boy rio papirio saite bole dinore ekodoila lage rather alike lage. But had brown hair. Ela dinijonotun bole brown hair ase du shakalar wrong ola sulase and short legs aro baita thing ase and we are rather fat aro dinijon boliomika elele puppy wayo bade ban hode tar gura wayo bolimika. You try going out of the room, Ben said that. You try going out of the room. Bafe hoyedo bole Ben to your room or barmika zairo kushish gori sasana. And you call the puppy bade tui kumurore dahaisha set mammai hoye and see what happens. Bade ede kiode sagoi. They set itara dinizone hoye maloi bafloyore hoye. They smiled at one another. Itara exonoruzo exon sayre mogali kiuje smiling uje. Nothing would happen, they thought. Nothing would happen. Kishu noibo fanla and hoyere they thought itara bapil. Okay, said Ben, come on. Ela Ben ucche udiyor hode. Ben said Ben hode come on I Ben and ela papire bole Ben hode 3 years child aside ite itare ki hoida hai Ben come on and hoire die. He said it hoye and he went out with the puppy following. Badite bole barmikka gel gay kumurga fise jai. Okay, बुझा गया ना? फिर next page सही हमारा. Mom and Dad looked at one another with their mouths open. Mom and Dad, malere bole baflere, looked silent at one another. Exonoruzo exone. Lele maika bavika exone saat takil deri. With their mouths open, itarar galkuliore. Lele mati itara exonoruzo exon saat takil. In a moment, a kiss saw Shamamade, Mandy and Polly came running. Mandy layore bole, Polly layore, Dinizan Dumuri, I shield back into the room. Wafes room of Uterabole, Golil guy. It is not fair. Yanambole Balano, Fair, fair. Fair, fair. It is not fair. Yanan Shundon no yo, Yanam Balano yo, and Hoyorabole, they cried, Itara Handa Shurugujin. Here is our puppy. He is our puppy too. Iba araro puppy. Iba sirif banner puppy no. Iba hararo puppy. Araro puppy. Arada halio avuriba and heritara kigora shurugujil. Hada shurugujil. But kintu he is just following Ben around the garden. He is just following itebole sirif fise atakil banner fise around the garden. Baganar side out. And he won't come when we call him. And he won't come badi itebole noye when we call him that time. Arada. Elule ala tinjon. Mandy, Polly, Ben. Ala itara dinizon barmike gildi ala Jeremy Toblerone ho daike di ala puppy na oza that time Ben daike at time bole banner vise garden zaira agaura sora daike. Okay. What did you call? Asked that. Ala bafe fusargut hode. What did you call? Tu kidakyas. Jeremy said Mandy. Mandy hoye de Jeremy dakirai. Toblerone said Polly. Polly hode Toblerone. Try saying Ben said Mom. My hoye de ala tumhara yo Ben dakiso gusai and hoye re hoye. So they all went into the garden. Yar baad bole itara bakulun hodigil garden at gil. And the two girls called Ben. Ela miala hua dinu ay bole kidakya Ben hoye re dakya. And the puppy came running. Baad yar baad bole puppy wa duri itara ikke asil. See Saya said Mom Maya hoye de. He answers to his name. Ite jawab diye itar naam le de. It's going to be very confusing said that. It's going to be very confusing. Era bole beshi confused oibo and hoye said that bafe hoye de. Ela child 3 years child asidi itar namo Ben. Ela puppy namo ki hojar goy Ben hojar. Puppy namo ki hoya Ben. Ela bole 3 years child Ben Ben Ben. Ela 2 Bens at one home. Ekkan goram made bole dua Ben. Ela Ben jiba manush ase ibolde 2 legs. Ela jiba puppy ase iba 4 legs. Ela etara ekkan dinijonom made ekkan ki hoya confusion. Etala confusing yan to oye motor ela hode 2 legs or 4 ki dutenga nake sightinga and hoyore itara confusion kan oye etala arare title diye debole 2 legs or 4 and hoyore elara tu bujai gena 2 legs or 4 kela ishe dilolara continuation. As time went by jandilani ki shomo ela itara bakulun banda kitaki shomo hoto din bujondo hoto bosrani guzuri jagi bade they found it was useful to have both a son and a dog with the same name. They found itara lot idea it was useful yanani useful of the end to have both a son and a dog ugwa fuaro ugwa kumuroro with the same name ek nam lore raka hodian bole bishi useful of the end itara lot faye because kala bole hole Mandy and Polly were at a school. Mandy loi Polly loi bole dinijon school atashil. Ben spent all day with Ben. Ben bole shama hadail shara dimbar Ben arugwale. And the same word subbed forward. Ela Ben hode what iba bole dinijonala has gujil dinijonore ham gora hoy dinijonore daki bhaitto dinijonore walk out gujil. Be quiet, for example, stopped one yelling and the other yapping. Be quiet itara jodi be quiet and hod dole b to u e I be quiet and hoyer jodi bafe hod dole for example masal hisab hoite chale bole stopped one yelling agway bole yelling gorare bondo kori fele awaz diare bondo kori fele and the other yapping bade wala agway yapping gorare bondo kori fele jodi se child ben asidi ibaye matile be quiet and hole bole nizam kori fele ala ben argwa asidi ibayo nizam hoye both came when the name was called. Dinijon bole aito je time ot neki namore dahito namdori ore honojone Ben and hoida mele dinijon aito and sat down bade boitaito when ordered to je time neki boitak and hoira honokai hole time maje bole sat down boijaito and each looked equally pleased bade dinijonore bole ragito dinijonore ekmati sele dinijonore ekhoina adol lagito ekhoina kushi lagito when tall je time hoito what a good boy Ben that time bole Ben hodito gohondilla good boy and hoyere holio ala dinijon bole khushi hoito equally khushi hoito and hoyere holi andilele ara story edur hujanto buji bajina okay student andilele ala ara 2 legs or 4 kyalla ye yan buji bhaji dana ki dutenga ya toba sectenga hodi yan kyalla buji bhaji dana ala I story yanore jodi ara jedur hoji edurama jodi summarize gotto sale kyalla and dile hole ek time maje ogwa family maje ogwa puppy anil puppy bare family te nam dibala sile de ela ek jone ek nam dil de Jeremy Toblerone Ben hoyere tinnan nam asil ela Ben hode iba bole itar goror 3 বছর ja for namo ela puppy hode itar namo lele Ben has 2 legs lele puppy has 4 legs kumurottu sarigan time takeno अला यान लेरे इतरा दिनदं किवल family गुड़ा confuse होल एतला होदे 2 legs की दुटेंगा और 4 legs या तो बा साइटेंगा एंड होरे इतरा बकल में confuse होल ना अला एंडिलोले आज या आई स्टोरी बा एदुर राइटियो एंडिलोले in the next video we will learn the next paragraphs माने आरा आरुगा वीडियो में जे मोंतो आइबोदे paragraphs इबारे शिकियम ना इबार बाबू तारा फॉरिन एंडिलोले एडा होदन आई व्हाट्सएप पर दिकिया और बॉय माजे जेन स्पेलिंग गुते दरोदे हार्ड स्पेलिंग अ या तो बा आरा बाय हार्ट गुते दरोदे व्हाट आसी दिनर आरा मेमोराइज करि हलाई न दिलिले स्टोरी बा गरम माजे बिशि बिशि स्टडी करिम एंड दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे थैंक यू वेरी मच।